Greetings to all my Jamaican family. Anywhere you're there, yard, foreign, near, greetings. Miss Pat's coming to you again on our little idea and solution talk. It came about my sweet Jamaica. I hope everybody having a good day, night, evening. I really hope everything is good. So we continue again on the journey of talking about crime, and we actually think we're gonna do 7 episodes, more than what we think. The first half I think it would be 5, but since this is such a big problem, may go in every crevice and corner, and me try to repeat some of what from the previous episode, take it along to the other one. So those who, let's say you never catch episode 3 and you feel like, God, me don't want to go back, then you sort of get some in episode 4. So that's what it's all about. So today we still continue, and we'll talk about some little stuff while going a foreign. When me hear and me say make me drop it, make everybody hear about it. Yeah, now whole pound know about it anyways. So me and friends and family, what then tell me say, anytime them see the news, America or Canada or England, TV, radio, whatever, and them hear Jamaica, as the word Jamaica come up, them nervous as hell, because it is never good. She said the only time them expect it to be good are when like any form of Olympics they go on and track and field situation, then them heart no jump. But any other time, them just nervous because them know it is never gonna be good. And them say, boy, by the time you go work the following day, everybody they come up, I heard stuff about Jamaica, oh my God, it's bad down there and blah 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 blah. And them say them feel bad. Then the worst part is, you work with all different kind of people. But them say the worst part is when you have people from other Caribbean island what them work with. And when lunchtime come round, Jamaica is the topic at lunchtime. And everybody, but them hear how so much bad things are going on at Jamaica, what's going on down there and all of that. And it is very shameful. Them say, boy, it hurts like hell. Them feel bad. Them have to make up stories and all of these things. And it really not nice. It's shameful. It's really shameful. And that's why I say, we are a set of people who can't deal with the truth. We have to deal with the truth and the facts before we can move forward. We not go move now until we can deal with all of this. Tell ourselves that this they happen. No say so and so in it, and we have to do something about it. That's it. And so we can move forward. Otherwise, we're still in the same old way. And no. As me say, we don't like the truth, we can't deal with the truth, but there is no other way. And somehow we don't want to hear me say it. We think I shouldn't say it, but me have to say it, because remember, we say I work together. And working together means we want to see some progress. We want to see something come out of it. I don't just get up and chat about it and listen and kin teeth and may say, well, actually, we shouldn't say and all of that. No, we need to work at it. And that's why I say it's, me they throw out some idea and solution and see if you can run with that. Because that's the best I can offer. And we have to do something about it. But have to want to make changes. That is the thing, We can't just say this thing, but it all depends on you want the change, work at it. So, as me say, when me talk to them, them feel so down sometimes. And the problem is, we don't make gun a yard. We don't make bullet. So where did they come from? I want simple something, them can do. And this is not for us as citizens. This is for the government. All them need to do is to fix the point of entry where all of these guns they come through. It is simple as that. Focus on the point of entry, and you will see what happens. But some of them really don't care, because everybody they make money out of it. You can't leave Jamaica and say you go to America and carry a gun. Because then they dig down your ass. All up in your ass. To find things. Then they find drugs. Then you can't do it. You simply can't do it. But for we country, for we people to loose. We loose and slack, we no care. Why should gun come from America, come in Jamaica, and who no can't care about none go up there? Anybody ever think about that? The government ever think about that? So this a part of the pandemic. Them have to deal with this. And the most we can do is put fire under their ass. Especially mothers. Put fire under them ass. Because if we put fire under them ass, and them not do nothing about it, you know what them prove to it? They not care about it. Them really not care. Them just care about themselves and for them family and the money what they can get and thief. That is all it boils down to, because there shouldn't be so much gun they come in every week, every month, and nothing happen. No interception, come on, man. And when time uno find them, uno get them when they come in. Me don't like to know what uno they do about it, because uno never yet show the public said this is it and we they burn them up. No, uno only say uno confiscate X and X amount of guns, and that's it. The reason why uno can't chat is because you go right back on the road, because the said police boy them go sell it to them gunman friend, and uno all know that. So come after me, all uno want say one no want to say uno know say that is the truth. All the amount of gun uno say uno take away from the wharf and all of these things. Where then they? Uno make the public know what uno do with it? Uno don't do that. Uno never do that. Because he gone back out on the road. He gone right back out on the road. And the boy them just laugh and say hey. But at the same time, they're dumb. Dunce. And that's why them they sitting there happen. Uno have to do better than that higher. The government need to help out with that. The youths them need an outlet. Them really need an outlet. Because there are no place for them. You don't have no community centers, no trade program, no community trade centers. For them, them can go they go learn a trade and all of them something there. Them can play games and then they sitting there. Feel let off steam. But there's nothing like that. So guess what? Them just did they occupy their time, and what they occupy their time with? Crime. Go murder people. So the government can do much better than what they do. Killing them is not the answer. Killing them is not the answer. The youth them drop off of the track. Bad man, them drop off a track. And we have to get them back on track, because they are the future. Remember what I'm saying now? If the police just decide say them just don't kill off the whole of them, there will be only women. And then we also have a country full of lesbian, and by then the government cannot say shit about it because I want to make it happen. We don't have to fix up things, man. Fix up the youth. You can't. The crime they continue. And we don't come up with no idea more than to kill them. No, sir. No, sir. We don't have to get somewhere for them to learn some stuff. Too many of them unemployed. That is where the problem is. Too much of them unemployed. Them need to have job. If them now go work, them a idler. And a study they will get work for idlers. And nobody now address that. He now address at all. The other thing too is elders. You can't take part in it, You can't really take part in it, because some of these guys, you know them from them when little. You know them from them a little picnic. And then in the community, you know them. So you can't really help. If them come around, you see them, talk to them, man. Because you guys have, you have everything, the knowledge, the experience where you can help them with and say, man, no bother with them, they sitting in and go help and, explain to them, help them. Them need help left, right and center. Explain to them what will happen. Tell them so there's better chance out there for them to live a longer life. If them just tell themselves them going to stop with the crime. Change what them they do. Them stand a better chance, man, to live longer than if them just, make them changes there. They need to find a job. They need to do something. That's why I say them need to go up on them grandparents' farm go work. Boy, me don't know. Me think say something in the food when they eat. Because before, when we used to eat food, regular Jamaican food, we people in the behave so, you know. The young people them in the behave so tall. But them they eat this foreign food will have whole pa chemical and they trigger off a whole heap of things in their head. And that is where me thinking they come from. The foreign food, the drink, and all of them thing there, the drinks them, all of them frozen dead animal what them kill. You know. Somehow you know they name it, you don't even know if a beef or a chicken. You don't know, you know. You don't never think about it. Let me tell you now, I know all of the canned food what you don't see, what you don't buy. In the grocery store what come from foreign, you don't think of the said thing, them they name up there. No. I know the said thing. It changed when them have a section where they make things off go a different country, different from what they make for themselves. And I mean, I want nobody come off and me can tell me so no go so. Me they tell no say same thing go so. When you look at all we pick them, how them big. A little 13-year-old girl look like her say she had 25, some big cover breast. The man them got bigger than the city of Kingston to Rati George. You know see the food we then yam, the foreign food. The foreign food we then yam, we no longer than yam we no own. And so we yam it and it trigger off all kind of sitting at the boy they made and see they no got to gun and no kill off everybody. Cause guess what? The gun them just come in so and nothing happen. So it's like a free for all business they go on. And it is so painful. If them guy they can do some work and the government put themselves in a more agriculture, it will help the country. So all of the idlers them get free work on the farm and things like that, and them see how important it is. And then the country won't have to struggle so because we won't have to buy foreign food. Oh, the backside hole we they buy foreign beef. None of you murderer ever think about that. No people no that think about it. Why will they buy beef and chicken from abroad? When we have whole place where cow can run up and down and chicken run up and down. We don't think aya. We don't think. And then we just take everything what the government throw you so no just say so I just saw it go. And nobody no challenge nothing. We just sit down there and say I saw all of them stay and all of that. No, I don't saw it go. Because our young people are very angry. And them never used to be so angry. And me say me really put me head pan the black and think of the food. The food that trigger off all of them a problem here. Because we just watch and see how big they get and how angry they become. Everybody just get angry from the lily pitney to everything. Everybody, me kill you, like say. It's an ant you're killing. It's not an ant. It's a human being who talks and walks. I mean, when you get up and you stab somebody to death, me not even get that the picture there. It's not like say, I want pig and you don't yam some jerk pork after you stab him down. That is what you don't do, jerk pork. Or I want goat. So guess what? We don't yam curry goat. No, a human being you turn up and tab. You tab them to death, then drop dead. You use a knife and you tab them to death. How do you feel about that? How do you feel at that moment when you do that? You know, feel like say, ratted, me need to kill myself too. How do you feel if you just stab one human being so? And this is what happened. It is just like the norm. That's why these days, somebody dead, but I say so and so dead. Why that they want to drop out, because just think it's just an ordinary thing. Them now come back. So if thinks that them gone for a period of time and then don't come back, they now come back. Because the way how they operate, all of murderer, me really think think they don't come back. You stab somebody and you give up, gone. Where they run go? Stand up and face the consequence, boss. Face the consequence. Where they run for? You know if you run. What happened to the days when man and man have a problem and them talk it out, Say, boss, me never like what you do and me upset and blah blah blah. And you got to stand up and say, boy, boss, me not even really when they think like that. Me sorry, man, me sorry. And you shake hand. And you say, me not gonna make that happen again. And you say, cool, alright. I wanna walk where you done. But no, me they go for me gun, and me they go kill him, and me they go kill him papa, and me they go kill him grandpa. And when you get out of it, because when you kill them, you don't get nothing in the boss. You don't get nothing. You tell me, say, when you have a problem with a guy, and you go look for him family, you kill all of them, what you get? What is the satisfaction? Because you still, whatever the problem you anyway have, still remain. No fix. So when you put them in a dirt, help the situation because you they will go in a dirt sooner than you think. So no need to start thinking of one different realm boss. We no need to do that. We no need to do that. We don't really have to pull gun and then kind of way. When you think of a mother go to a school, fi stab up one pitney, me rate judge. You go to the school, your pitney and this other pitney may have a problem, and you left your yard with a knife. If you go to school, go tab up a pitney. Me no know why you anything at all. Me no know. Why you think? When you go there and your pitney say, see the pitney there, mama. You don't tap them up and carry the body, go put in your freezer. Are that the plan? You put in the freezer and go and yam it little by little, and more something like that. You think say you don't just tap one pitney and nothing happen to you, you just tap him and walk away and it's all okay. That is to show the kind of country where we live in now. The rules and regulation in our work. It's just not working. They have to get some serious situation look into. The police them killing the guys is not the answer. Because right there, so this is a mother guarded school. If you go tab up a pitney. All she should have spent the rest of her life in a prison. No fresh air. Because it was premeditated. She planned that shit before she left her yard. She carried a knife if you go tab a pitney. I mean, where is going to see the teacher to speak to the teacher? How about go to the pitney parents in the evening and say, so and so, me come to talk to you because my kid said this happened, I want to talk it out. Me used to go to school as pitney, I remember clearly. There was a boy in my class who always want to fight me for no reason. And me keep telling my parents about it until one evening before school over, he must pull one elastic and he lick me in my eye. So me go on my eye, swell up and all of that. And my parents say, alright, we don't go see him parents. And me have to come with them. And we go there. And my parents talk to them. Me wait on the outside and my parents talk to them until them talk and then call me in and call him in and talk to us together and say we don't have to do that, we have to look out for each other, we be good friends, make sure it don't happen again. And that was it. My parents never go there with no knife it about nobody, neither the parents nor the picnic. So where you come from so angry? It has to be something I mean really they put it on the food or no then yam. Me they put it on the food. Because you never turn so. You never turn so. Boy, you go to school. Go or kill. Figure tab up picnic. Nothing can go so. Nothing can go so, boss. You carry knife. Yeah, man. Premeditated. Wickedness. Me no want this. Me want back my sweet Jamaica. And who know people where they tab up people, no fi tab up people, no stop tab them up. Who know everything about who know cold-blooded. Who know just so cold. And remember, when you stab up somebody, you can't take it back. It already happened. You can't take it back. So that live with you for the rest of your life. That depends for your shoulder. Murder depends for your shoulder. You take a life. Nothing for you no good. Nothing for you good. And you know, we also used to do something there where people would out see, let's say you're up on the road, you see two man or two women get into argument and then they'll fight and all of that. We used to run in and help, part them and calm them down. No, we don't do that. Since social media, what you do? Grab your phone and you start a video and the lad, look how they tab up the man, look how they tab up the man. In the tab him up bad, in the tab him up bad. And what you do? You put that on Facebook because you they look views. And them kind of way there. You want to make money out of that. Where we hard there, we don't have no love, we don't care, we just bitter, we so cool. We are cold-blooded people. We don't have to be like that. We're too civilized for that, man. Dash with that. Tap with the killing of people. Them they sitting there done with. You don't have to do that. You don't really not have to do that. Give the country a chance, man. Because that really they keep we back. It's like a heavy burden. It's a heavy burden when people have to them make choice. You who in Jamaicans, they abroad have to them make a choice. Me really want to go to Jamaica for vacation, and me really want to go somewhere else or go to one exile. All because of what uno murderer they do. Come on, man. Uno look at the bigger picture. Look at the bigger picture, bigger than uno. Uno just destroy the country. And all uno do. Uno pit in our great face. That's what uno do. Uno pit in them face. Look on the contribution what they make for them country. Look what Bob and you see and do for we. And yet we turn on and pit in them face. And what kind of people uno hire? And what kind of people uno? Uno have to go do better than that, sir. You know have to go do better than that. Let me tell you something. If any uno murderer get the opportunity and say, boy, uno they go one country in Europe or Asia or whatever, somebody walk up to you and say, where are you from? And you say Jamaica. The first thing they say, oh my God, you come from Jamaica? Oh my God, Bob Marley, you said both, oh my God, and them start to jump up and because them think them see a hero. What great person, all because you say you come from Jamaica. Not knowing that you are a wicked, cold-blooded murderer. And in that instant, me would hope that would have changed you. But uno not change, uno left, uno go anywhere, uno go, and uno when wicked find yard, uno go find the wicked hole if you go in and go start up more things. Uno they carry down the country higher. That's all uno they do. And uno pit in a Bob Marley face. And UCN face, and Miss Lou and all of the other greats. That's what we do. Shame for the whole of you. Shame. Me shame. Sometimes I really shame that me really a Jamaican. Because I love my country. But when you do certain things, it just highlight the wickedness. And all of you were wicked. And you a murderer and rapist. You no good citizen. You no good citizen at all. You no do nothing good for no country. All you do is destroy. Jamaica is a brand, boss. We are brand. And we have to live up to that. But instead of that, we find ourselves in the top 10 most murderous country in the world. Look on that. One little dot on the map. And we, they side by side with countries who have millions and millions of people. And we have one little bit. And we there beside them, the people say we are the most, in the top 10 most murderous country in the world. Shame pan hala uno. Shame pan hala uno. Something has to change. Something has to change. It is shameful. It is sad. I'm calling on mothers and the family. Deal with no murder boy them. Deal with no gangster boy them. No Dan man. Deal with them. Because then they carry the country down, down, down. And we're tired of it. We don't want that no more. So deal with them. I'm very angry about it. Because them they mash it up too much. So with all that being said, me hope you can take in what me say and work on it. Deal with no murderer son them. Get them some help. Elders, me call upon you. Do the best you can. So, me want to know what good. Take care of yourself. And me catching up on another talk. Me spots out.